The U.S. just took a big step in fighting bird flu. The Department of Agriculture has approved a new vaccine for chickens, hoping to slow down the outbreak that's been driving up egg prices. The company Zoetis developed the vaccine and says it could help, but it's up to regulators to decide whether farmers will use it. Until now, the U.S. has mostly handled bird flu by culling infected flocks, but with millions of birds affected and even some human cases reported, officials may be rethinking their approach. Experts warn that egg prices could rise another 20% next year, adding to the cost of groceries for families already struggling with inflation. But what do you guys think? Should the U.S. start vaccinating chickens, or will it cause more problems in the long run? Share your thoughts below.